Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We have Miss Ella and Hank, and today is a very special day. Reason being is because Ella is actually going to master how to drive stick and race in the same day.
Yeah, I'll just start off first with like just showing her kind of the basics again. She already knows all the basics and stuff like that, but just show her one more time and then we'll practice. And I like this a lot because there is a little slope, so we can practice going uphill a little bit and going downhill a little bit and how that feels different. Yeah, you can press the clutch in so you can get into first gear. Clutch all the way in with your left foot. Okay, so push it into first gear. So first is front, there you go, perfect. All right. So now you can just slowly let out the clutch. And just don't even worry about the gas right now, just slowly let out the clutch. Foot off the brake. Slowly let out the clutch. You'll see it'll go by itself. See that? You can let it, no gas, no gas. Just let it all the way out.
My baby can drive stick. Guys, it's probably about 6 a.m. right now. It's a little bit foggy out here in San Diego at Qualcomm Stadium. And look at her go. She got this. She's just a little scared, I know. But all it takes is just a couple of times and she'll get this knocked out in no time.
Break time.
So what's up? What do you think?
I think your quad's tired.
I think I'm overthinking it, so I'm stalling a lot, and it's really actually kind of scary. Didn't think it was gonna be this hard. Definitely can't do uphill just yet. Yeah.
All right. I definitely think a lot of her issue is probably just because the car sounds so much louder and scarier. The GTI sounds super muted. It's a turbo car, it's a civilized car, it's a newer car. And I think that's the only difference. Once she gets into the car and really feels it and feels comfortable with it and is familiar with it, she'll be just the same as the GTI. This bus is lighter than the GTI. This bus should be. It's just like shades. Look at that.
Yeah. That didn't even mind.
What's up, Erica? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Leave the headlights on.
I just turned it on.
Oh.
Pulling up in the vet.
Yeah.
Getting ready to have some fun.
Yeah. 2 yellow cars.
Don't flag the slow car or flag the fast car or the slow car in front of us, alright? Now, our priority is to get people checked in for work as well as cars into grid. So if you're driving, which I believe the first group driving is red, you're going to be grabbing your car. The first group working is go. So if you're working
Alright, if you're also new to this and find yourself working near a finish light, and 53.978 time.
What's up, boys?
What up?
55.
How was it?
Yeah, it was fine.
You're driving later too, right?
So how's it been so far?
Pretty good. Hitting 51, so.
Alright.
Alright. Feels a little loose. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Nice seeing you.
We went 3, man.
Hey, my area code. Detroit.
Got Dwayne out here. Glad that my boy was able to make it.
Yeah, what's going on? Grid worker yet?
Dude, this thing is monstrous. Alright guys, we just got done doing a couple of ride-alongs right now out on the track, as you guys see. We're getting ready to go check in with everybody else and see when we're getting ready to start racing. All right, let's get back to it.
I'm really nervous. My stomach hurts.
5355, 55355, follow closely by Miata with a 53522. 53522.
How'd it go, ladies?
Slow.
Yeah.
5.8. This is the first one.
All right, you guys getting ready to switch? It's time.
I know, I'm nervous. Got this. Hyperventilating.
You that excited? You haven't gone yet?
I'm nervous.
It'll be fine.
I think I might be a little bit behind you guys, so I need the green workers. Green workers. We are
Okay, if you start slow, just don't stall, okay? Just rev it.
That's why I'm scared of stalling. Okay. Yeah, just rev it. Rev. Now look up. You got it. See? You're good. You got it. Now just go. Got it. Nice.
How was it, ladies?
Pretty awesome.
You did great. You did awesome. See? All that nervousness for nothing. So, this was kind of like your first time driving stick, right?
Yeah.
So, how did it feel kind of like as you got off the line?
It felt good. Honestly, I was really just nervous about the starting, not stalling at the beginning and then putting in second gear. I was really nervous about that, but I did good, so now I can actually go fast this round. This time was just like me getting the feel for it, and I will see, because I'm still shaking.
How did that feel? Did that feel better?
Yeah. Still putting in second gear is still
56. That's your fastest time. That's your fastest time? Damn.
Well, guys, she did great. She absolutely killed it today driving stick. Between actually driving stick and going to her first autocross event while she's driving stick, man, she's totally killing it. So I'm super proud of you, and let's see how you do on the next run. All right, until next time, guys, we're out.